Greetings for the day from Uma Devi Children's Academy. This is Vikas Gupta, your class 5th computer teacher. Today we are going to start our session number 2 of chapter number 4, working with the styles and objects. So dear students, in the chapter number 4, session 2 of 2, we are going to start from inserting clip art and pictures. Then we will learn inserting symbols and special characters. Then applying shadow and adding a screenshot in a document. So dear students, before we start, let's ensure that are you sitting in a quiet place? Are you in the proper network? Are you having stationery with you? Have you put your cell phone in landscape mode? And are you wearing the headphones? So after ensuring all of these things, let's start inserting clip art and pictures. So you can insert a picture or clip art in your document to make it appealing. Clip art is a gallery of pre-designed pictures that can be inserted directly in a document. So firstly we will place the cursor where we want to insert a picture. So we are opening MS Word. Okay. So dear students, firstly we have placed the cursor here. Now what we have to do? We will click on the picture option in the illustrations group on the insert tab. Look at here in the insert tab in the illustrations group we will click on picture button. Okay. Now we are having some pictures here and some more. If we need more pictures we can click on the folders. Okay. Then we will find more pictures there. Okay. Like I am finding the pictures in sample picture. I will click on penguins. So if I need this, so I will select it and we will click insert on it. Now look at here, we have inserted this picture. Okay, so we can make the changes in the size also. Okay, like this. Now next one is we are going to learn about inserting clip art image. Okay, so look at here. Wherever we want, we will click on, we will move the cursor, place the cursor there. Like I am placing the cursor here. Okay, look at it. Here is the cursor. Now I will click on insert tab. Then in the illustrations group, we will click on clip art button. Now clip art pane is open. Okay, look at here. This pane is of clip art. Look at here. So here are the options. Search for, results should be. Okay, so look, we will type the desired keyword in the search for text box that is related to the image you wish to insert. For example, we are searching computer. We have inserted this clip art. If we need more clip arts, we will just scroll on this vertical scroll bar and we will get more more clip arts here. Okay, look at here. Okay, like this. Now the note is given here. So one note is given here. We can apply various artistic effects to a picture by selecting the artistic effects option in the adjust group under the format tab to make it look like a sketch, a drawing or a painting. So look at here, we are gonna make this picture of penguin sketch. Click here in the format tab. Okay, we are having artistic effects in the adjust group. So we will click on artistic effects. Now you can look at here, the picture is changing in the sketch. Okay, and there are many effects. Look at here. Okay, so look, we can change the effects. Okay, so I like this one, so I will click on this one. Look at here, we have changed the picture effect. Okay, now one more thing is there. Word also provide various effects such as glow, soft, bevel, reflection, etc. These effects can be applied to a picture or a clip art by selecting the picture effects option in the picture styles group under the format tab. Look at here, this clip art we have selected. Now in the format tab, in the picture effects, we can click on it and we will show here we can look at here, many options are there. Shadow, reflection, glow, soft edges, bevel, 3D rotations. Okay, so in the shadow I am selecting this one. Okay, this type shadow. Look at here, now it is this type, and when we will select the shadow, we will get the shadow. Like this we can get more things. Look at here, reflections are here, okay, and we can select here glow. Look at here, this pinkish glow we are having, okay, and bevel. Look at here. So many options are here in the picture effects to make our picture or clip art more beautiful, okay. Now next one is inserting symbols. Next one is inserting symbols and special characters. So symbols and special characters are punctuation, spacing or typographical characters that are generally not available on the standard keyboard. So they can be inserted from the symbol dialog box. To insert symbols and special characters in a document, we will follow these steps. Here we have placed the cursor here. Now we will click on insert tab. Then in the symbols group, we will click on symbol button. Then we will click on, we are having symbols here. If we need more symbols, so we will get this symbol dialog box. If we need more symbols, so we can find from here. And one more thing is here. We will select the symbols, we will select the font of your choice from the drop down list. Now we are writing here Wingding and we are pressing enter. So look at here, we have got this type of fonts, okay. So we will choose the symbol and click on insert button. Look at here, like I have clicked on this smiley face, okay, and I have clicked on. So dear students, next is applying shadow. So I have told you how to apply shadow in the pictures. I have told you. Now you can apply shadow effect on any object. You can also change the color of the shadow and set its position. So now I am telling you. Firstly we are drawing by clicking on insert, and in the illustrations group we will click on shapes. I have selected this shape, okay. Now I have made this shape, and now I will click on shape effects button in the shape styles group under format tab. In the format tab in the shape styles group, I will click on shape effects. Then I will click on shadow. Now there are outer shadow and inner shadow. Look at here. When I will hover over them, you can get the shadow. Like look at here. This is, we are having outer shadow. Now we will get the inner shadow. Okay, like this. Look at here, we can get more shadow, perspective. Look at here, okay, like this. So this type we can apply shadow on any of the object, okay. You can change the shadow setting by selecting the shadow options from the shadow drop down menu. So dear students, now one more thing I want to tell you, that when we will click on shape effects and shadow, we can get shadow options. So there are the shadow options, so we can make changes from it, okay. And we are having here 3D format, 3D rotation, so we can make changes from here also, okay. So dear students, I have told you about shadow options and how to apply 3D rotation, okay. Now we will learn about adding a screenshot in a document. So Microsoft Word 2010 provides a new feature called screenshot. This option allows you to take instant screenshot without leaving the program that you are working in. This feature is available in Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint and Outlook. You can use it to take a picture of all or a part of the window open on your computer. Click on screenshot button in the illustrations group on the insert tab. Look at here, we are going to take the screenshot. We will click on insert tab, then in the illustrations group we will click on screenshot button. Now these windows are open in my system, so like I need this window to be taken screenshot, so I will open it. Then the whole window is appearing here. Look at here, we can look at the whole window. This window is opened here. Look at here, this is my window, and we have got this window in the document like a screenshot, okay. So like this we can add the screenshots. So to add the whole window, we will click on the thumbnail, the available window gallery. I have told you about the whole window selection. Now you can also use the screen clipping tool to add a part of the window. When the pointer changes to a cross, okay, symbol, we will press and hold the left mouse button to select the area of the screen that we want to capture. The selected part will be automatically added to the document. So we are going to do it. Look at here, I am taking a new document. Now look at here, I am clicking on insert, then in the illustrations group I am clicking on screenshot. Then if we need screen clipping, we will click on screen clipping, and with that we will get the cross. Okay, so I will drag and move it to hold picture. This one picture I need only one penguin, so I will click on this one and I will leave the cursor. Look at here, this much screen we have clipped. Okay, so like this we can take the screenshot by using screen clipping. Okay, now this is the recap. Look at here. So this recap you have to read by pausing the video, and you will understand it, then you will play the video. So just pause the video and read the all recap. So dear students, I hope you have done reading of this recap. Okay, so this is the end of the chapter number 4. So the homework is you have to complete question number A, B and C in your book. Okay, that you will get on page number 48, and you have to write question answers in your notebook. So dear students, you have 2 weeks to complete all the work of this chapter. Okay, and all the solutions you will get along with this video. Okay, so I wish you all the best. Bye bye. Have a great day ahead.